So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to boost collagen naturally within the skin. We're going to do some great face tapping, a little bit of facial massage, and then finish off with a lymphatic drainage release. Now, I like to start off with clean skin, and I'm using a form of oil here, so a facial oil. If you have a face cream, that's great. Just something so we're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling. So first of all, just apply the facial oil to the facial area and also the neck. So starting off where our collarbone is, I'm just starting gently tapping in an upwards motion. Now the skin on the neck is quite fine, so you don't want to be too heavy-handed. And we're moving towards the jawline. Now, if you do have long nails, you can always use your knuckles, but be mindful again not to go too heavy and deep. And then from the chin area, I'm just starting from the chin, using the the top of the fingers, if you like, and working again in an outwards motion towards the ears. Do that a couple of times. And then from the chin, great acupressure point here. And then just working our way upwards and outwards. And then the nostril, and then under the cheekbone towards the ears. Now when it comes to the eye area, I like to use my ring finger because the skin around the eyes is very delicate. So just starting between the eyes, tapping, and then just working along underneath. This is great if you suffer with puffy eyes or tired eyes. Do that twice. Obviously you can do this as many times as you like, depending how much time you have. And then working in an upwards motion from the eyebrows towards the hairline. So once we've done that, we're just going to take our fingers and just gently glide along. Now we've just improved blood flow and circulation by tapping. So now we're actually also helping with elastin and collagen within the skin. So again, just very lightly working along. And then with the forehead, I like to work upwards. When we have wrinkles, they tend to be horizontal, so it's nice to go in a different direction. And again, towards the temples, nice light touch. And then just glide along towards the temples. And then with the fingers literally just under the eyes, just gliding the top part of the face, very lightly again. And what we're doing here, we're actually moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so you don't need to be too heavy-handed. This will really help for glowing skin. And then with the thumbs under the chin, fingers above, gently gliding all along the bottom area, lower part of the face. Fingers just by the nose, just gliding down. This helps if you have any nasal issues, if you only suffer with sinus. And then just massage the nostrils and glide again under the cheekbone where we have plenty of lymph nodes. Again, we're moving all that toxins and waste along. And then just along the jawline, plenty of lymph nodes again, thumb underneath, fingers above, my favourite move actually. And then just massage the side of the ears and glide down the side of the neck, down the collarbone to the, down to the collarbone. So now we're going to do a little lymphatic drainage release. So I always like to finish off with this, and that's just massaging above the ears to the bottom. I like to do this twice, round circular motions, quite light again. And then just work along the occipital bone, the nape of the neck. And then when the fingers are touching, just gently glide down this big SEM muscle down to the collarbone. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above, if you just give those a few gentle presses. And that should really help with glowing skin by doing our tapping and our facial massage and also our lymphatic drainage. So I'll place another video here. If you'd like to join me there, that would be great. Consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and a thumbs up really helps with the algorithm. And I'll see you later. Okay, bye.